CityWalk to Sapphire, full boat.
Why do you leave early?
Right, exactly. But that way they would know that that's when we came off right this full boat. Tubular, Highway Bridge, Sapphire.
During a brief ride, alcohol smoking and use of you spend your time in the sea, all in the sea, so far each of the Universal hotels has tons of great places to go. Fast snacks and fun. You have access to all of them, no matter which hotel you stay in. That's what you enjoy. Character dining in the Tahitian dining room at Lowe's Royal Pacific Resort, Italian home cooking and strolling musicians in Mamadella's at Lowe's Portofino Bay Hotel, and more. Of course, you can also catch the water taxi ride through the deliciousness of CityWalk's restaurants, including the toothsome.
Everybody wait with these guys! Hey, it's a 3-boat rotation. You're supposed to wait for us.
Tubular, green light off of the Sapphire.
Side. You think that they took Jaws out? Nope, they put it right over there. Sapphire Falls in just a few minutes. Now, if you're going to head back to one of our theme parks today, let me give you a little bit of information. Universal Studios will remain open until 5 p.m., 5 o'clock for Universal Studios. Then we'll reopen at 6:30 for Halloween Horror Night. Halloween Horror Night, HHN, starts at 6:30. Islands of Adventure remains open until 8 p.m., IOA 8 p.m. CityWalk, your nighttime dining, drinking, dancing, and entertainment destination. CityWalk remains open until 2 a.m. Now, 2 o'clock tomorrow morning is a very important number because at 2 a.m. the boats turn into pumpkins and, well, you magically turn into walkers. If you look over on the left-hand side of the vessel, you will see a lovely walkway. And that walkway will take you all the way back to your hotel. It's called the Shoe Leather Express Trek from CityWalk back to your hotel room. It'll be the sole mode of transportation. Alright folks, once again, please remain seated until we are secured to the dock. Once we're secured to the dock, we'll go ahead and give you the all clear to go ashore. Please watch your step and your exit the vessel. Have a fantastic day, and we'll all come back to Sapphire Falls.
In Mamadella's at Rose Portofino Bay Hotel and more. Of course, you can also catch the water taxi back for the deliciousness of CityWalk's restaurants, including